Hi students, in this lecture we going to study how to draw a histogram for unequal class width. Here is the example, that is groups and frequencies. The groups contains classes 40 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 90, 90 to 100 with corresponding frequencies 10, 20, 15, 8, 5 and 2. The class having unequal class width, that is 40 to 60 class having class width 20, 60 to 70 class having class width 10, 70 to 80 class having class width 10, 80 to 85 class having class width 5, 85 to 90 class width having the class width 5, 90 to 100 class having the class width 10. So for calculation, for drawing histogram, we need x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis we take the groups or the classes given. On y-axis we take the frequency density instead of the frequencies. The formula for the frequency density is the class frequency divided by the class width. Here is the observation table which contains group, frequency, class width and frequency density. Okay, the classes we already written here and the frequencies we written here. The summation of all the frequencies are, which is 60. Okay, we have to calculate the class width. The 40 to 60 having class width 20, 60 to 70 class having class width 10, 70 to 80 class having class width 10, 80 to 85 class having class width 5, 85 to 90 class having the class width again 5, and last class 90 to 100 class having the class width 10. Okay, here we calculate the class width. Now we have to calculate the frequency density. For calculation of frequency density we need the class frequency which is given and the class width, that is we have calculated. Here calculation is, formula is class frequency divided by class width. Class frequency 10 divided by 20, which is 0.5. Next 20 divided by 10, which is 2. Next 15 divided by 10, which is 1.5. Next 8 divided by 5, which is 1.6. 5 divided by 5, which is 1. And last 2 divided by 10, which is 0.2. Okay, I have already taken the x-axis and y-axis and marked the points as 1 centimeter on x-axis and also on y-axis. For calculation of histogram, we take here the initial 0, 0, classes starting from 40 to 60, therefore we take here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. On y-axis we take the scale 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, 1.2, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8 and 2. Here are the groups. Here the frequency density. We have to draw a rectangles corresponding to groups and frequency density. 40 to 60 class having the frequency density 0.5. 40 to 60 having class, the frequency density. Here we draw a rectangle for the class 40 to 60 with corresponding frequency density 0.5. Next is 60 to 70 class having the frequency density 2. Here is the next rectangle. Here we complete all the rectangles corresponding to class and frequency density. The chart title is histogram, and the scale we have taken on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 0.2. Here we complete the histogram for unequal class width. Thank you.